Okay, hello people. Today I wanted to publish for you quite interesting video tutorial. When you work with this application Softimage, I wanted to show you how you can subdivide and smooth the corner of the window at the same time. Because you see, this doesn't have very smooth corner. I wanted to quickly show to you how you can do that. I create a model of the car. Also, it was quite hard to texture this car. Okay, we can quickly isolate selection. We will focus on this corner and I will show you what tool I will use. You go to Polymesh and you use scissors to disconnect menu Polymesh menu so you can have a separate window. And we will use add smooth edge loop tool. This will subdivide but also will create a nice interpolation. You can see the difference. Actually, I don't use this tool very often, but it seems to be useful. Okay. Keep in mind that when you see this actually this doesn't look good enough. Later on, I want to use a utility called local subdivision refinement because this will create beautiful shape. This will subdivide the polygons. Oh, no. I should have selected all polygons. If you have too many edges, that's fine. You can get rid of too many edges. The main tutorial was how to add smooth interpolation when you create window or car frame. I think my polygon is looking okay. I just wanted to get rid of too many edges. Okay, people. Okay, what I do next? I also that one is looking fine. Depending how powerful your PC is, they can quickly get rid of too many polygons. They can have beautiful, nice shape. Okay, give me a few minutes because my dog is waiting in front of my room and started to moan and I will have to open the door. But okay, now we have beautiful window shape and we can unhide the rest of the polygons. And I hope you like my video tutorial. But main tutorial was about the smooth edge loop tool. I like this feature very much.